Hello SJCAM fans, today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of two SJCAM models. On the left we have the C100 camera, and then on the right we have the SJ10 Pro Action. Now this is going to be truly a first look unboxing, as I have not opened these boxes. Before we get started, make sure to like our video and subscribe. So on the back of each of these you can see that there are some specs. So we'll start with the C10 first. And you can pause the screen and just read all these specs. On the side of the packaging we have the SJCAM logo, and on the front we have pictures of the model. Okay, so it looks like maybe the app scan code will be inside the box. So let me open up each one of these. So we'll save the best for last. So we'll check out the C100. Now this is actually, wow, this is really small. Wow, this reminds me of some of the cameras from maybe 7 years ago, but I'm sure they didn't have as high specs, and they also didn't have this waterproof case. This is really small. I'm impressed. So just to give you a feel of how big the C100 is, you can just kind of a size comparison here. So nice and small size. Good job on that. I like the idea as well. So nice tight clasp on the waterproof case. And here it is. We have a lanyard strap hole here. SJCAM. This must be the charging port. So we'll do an in-depth review. Just wanted to show you what comes inside the box for this. So nice job. For the camera, waterproof case. So this would be like a good, camera for like a vlogger, someone on Instagram or Facebook. Well, Instagram basically now. Nobody's really on Facebook, but Facebook owns Instagram. Okay, so here are the accessories that come inside the box. So we have the stickers, the cloth for wiping off the lens, and then it looks like we have a mounting case here, which is always cool. So with a mounting case you can clip on, and you can record and still have audio. So nice strong clasp clip here. It's not going to break. Again, really nice plastic on that. It looks like we have a few mounts for like the helmet or biking, and they still have the micro USB cable. This one looks longer than the previous cables that they used to include. And then last up we have the lanyard, it looks like. There we go. Nice, again, nice quality on the lanyard. Looks like it's a little bit, yeah, it's nice and sturdy. This is not going to break. So good job on this. For the pricing, I haven't checked out the pricing on the website yet, but I imagine that it'll be about $70. But again, we can check that after the video, and we'll put the links in the description. Okay, so there it is. Oh wait, we have another one. Okay, so this housing is for like if you want to mount it on your bike. So again, it's open, so there will be audio. Okay, put that aside, and we'll actually maybe do an in-depth review, checking out the menus and stuff if you like as well. So another thing that was included is the adhesive sticker. Now for the flagship model, this is the SJ10 Pro Action. So it looks like they're trying to do an SEO thing with the action, or maybe it just really is about action. So here it is. Nice. So this is, first off, I really appreciate this, and I'm sure that it was SJCAM fan who recommended this. But just having like a simple lens cover on this, it's really It protects the lens during shipment. It'd be nice if they had a permanent one. So first impression on this is again, nice build. It's heavy, but that being said, it's like, okay, well, this is waterproof without the case. And again, if you drop it, you want it to be, you know, sturdy, so you know that it's not going to break. So good job on that. So looks like we have a nice big screen here. And I'm gonna, let's see if it's easy to, okay, nice tight grip on that. Okay, so at the bottom we have a mount for a tripod. And again, this is my first time even looking at this, so looks like we have a mic hole here. So on the side we have a SJ10 Pro. Okay, I will show you some of the accessories. We have the bike mount. Oh wow, so they did include a lens cover. Again, I'm sure that it was a fan who recommended this, but you know, it's maybe 10 cents, but it looks, and oh wow, it really protects the lens there. So nice tight fit on that. Now one suggestion is maybe include a black version. So this camera comes in white, black, and I believe gray. So again, we'll put the link on the SJCAM website. So adhesive sticker for the helmet, and a cloth to wipe off the lens. Okay, so not as many, and it looks like no cable. Okay, so one quick note at the bottom of this. Here we have the instruction manual. So this is the SJ10 water resistant series. Resistance. It looks like it's multi-language. And yes, we have the download. Okay, so this looks like it supports the remote control, which is always good, the Bluetooth remote. Or I think it's RF remote, so we'll have to check that. Okay, so pretty straightforward instructions. We have the QR code here, and the features here. So we have video lapse, slow motion, photo lapse, burst mode, car mode. So we'll be shooting some videos as well. So let us know what kind of clips you want to see. Here we have the nice UI. It looks very intuitive. So touch screen and info about how to connect to the app. Okay, so good job on this SJCAM. So the one thing I can recommend just straight off the bat is that, you know, include a black lens cover instead. Also, like putting the instruction manual under the crate here was, you know, maybe it's easy for some people to overlook. So I'm looking over here, and actually the C10 manual was also under the packaging. So yeah, this looks like it's more for like selfie diving. Actually, this is also action, but I'm sure that this is going to be a lower priced unit. And there is a cable. So this is USB Type C for the SJ10 Pro. So good job on that as well, Type C. Okay guys, this just about wraps up this first look unboxing. We actually do have a A20 body cam, so we'll open that box up and show you that in a second. So here it is, the A20. So just to show you again, we have the A20, the SJ10 Pro, and the C100. Okay guys, make sure to like our video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.